Hello little minions, it's me Beau with the Sportiva Cubes. Now this is an unboxing to just kind of come along with me and experience this moment because they're expensive boots. I climb Mount Rainier every single year, at least attempt to, which is the goal. Well, technically the goal is to get back to the car, and that's the summit. And I have seen a lot of people on the trail with these things, and I actually have another video review out there asking people what their first impressions were of these boots. And one guy, he actually borrowed these boots from another guy, and he said they were fantastic. Not a hot spot, not a blister on his foot, all day hiking through the snow, up to his knees all day long, and his feet were bone dry. Now, the main question that I had was, what's the difference between the Cubes and the Evos? So there's the Nepal Cube and there's the Nepal Evo. There's a 4 to 5 ounce difference in terms of weight, and that's the main thing. There's not a big difference in terms of, let's say for example, warmth or stiffness. I mean, there's still these crazy stiff boots, and obviously they are Crampon compatible. You'll notice the Cubes are red down here. They're just a slightly different sole, but other than that, man, they smell nice, they feel nice. That is surprisingly lightweight. You'll see right up here there's a bit of rubber right up here. It's almost kind of this sticky. I've never actually felt this sensation on boots before. I typically had some other expensive boots that were in the $400 to $500 range, but these I'm really shelling out because, well, you'll want to shave ounces, if not grams, off of your feet, because when you're hiking all day long, those are the things that are moving the most. And so if you can shed weight off of those, or even transfer that weight somewhere else, like let's say for example to your backpack or your torso area, that's a wise way to adjust and carry your weight on the trail. You don't want to be carrying the weight obviously all on your feet. And I have seen these all over the mountain, mainly with professional mountaineers, not just like your weekend warrior types, but yeah, these already are worth the extra $50 to $100 in terms of weight difference. I am so excited to slip these on and hit the trail. Ladies and germs, these are so light. This is crazy. I'm gonna fly up the mountain. I'm so excited. Now, I don't actually have my mountaineering socks on me right now. I just have these little thin, lightweight ones. So there's actually quite a bit of room above my toe right here. And this is the bigger of the 2 feet that I have. I always try to do the bigger feet. And then obviously when you put on boots, you don't put on boots like this. You wanna put all your weight on them. But I'm just getting first impressions right here. And man, these things are bomb-proof. Oh, don't they look amazing also? Look at this. Wow, I am so excited. I'm gonna hit the mountain this year, if not multiple times this year. We're gonna be doing Rainier as well as Little Tahoma right here in my backyard. I live in Enumclaw right at the base of Mount Rainier, and I love it. I love mountaineering, and let's go sneak in, sneak out.